Hi and welcome to RolledWall. Today I'm going to try to explain to you very briefly how to go to the process of ordering, how we work so that you get to know us a little better and so that we can turn your idea into a hyper-realistic product just like the one that I have back here. There's a few steps that you're going to have to go through once you want to place an order with us. I'm assuming that if you're here it's because you have an idea that you want to create, you have a project that is coming up. That is where we come in. We can help you and we can help you create and design your own hyper-realistic set. Few steps to go. The step number one is to choose the model that you want. As you can see in our website, we do tiles, we do bricks, we do paintings. When we say model, we don't mean the actual design because that's where you come in and you create the design, you customize the design for yourself, color, drawings, whatever it is. By model, we mean the tile size, the shape, and the texture. You've looked at the models that we have on our website, you've chosen the model that you want, and now what's next? For the sake of this video, we're going to work with the tiles that we have back here, which are 5.9 inches by 5.9 inches. It's one of the models that we have on our website. Once you've chosen this model, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the calculator to be able to, one, see an estimate of how much is it going to cost me, and two, be able to see exactly how many sheets you're going to need depending on how many square footage you're going to need for the project. After you've done that, you send us an email in which you state your name, you give us your information, when do you need the tiles by, and how many sheets you're gonna need. There we'll be able to send you a more estimated complete budget of how much the project is gonna cost you, and then we'll send you the most important file, which is the Photoshop file with our templates. You receive the Photoshop file and here's where the magic happens. Here's where you create the project that you want and you customize the design into our tiles. You'll see there's a bunch of different layers. You can adjust them, you can change them, you can put them more or less visibility, whatever it is that you want to do, and you can insert your design in it, but please do not displace them. We work by hand, and when we work with also textures, it'll come out displaced and it won't look as good as you'll see in the Photoshop file. Once you've created the design that you want, you send it back to us and we begin manufacturing within 1 to 5 business days, depending on the urgency that you have for your project. As you can see here in this tile, very thin, very realistic, super easy to install as we've only placed 2 different staples in them and within less than a minute it was done. Super thin, very lightweight, and it looks as real as you can.